Congratulations, you made a great decision. I'm so excited for you. So here's your next steps. And that is to check your email for confirmation. If you do not see it, please check your spam or promotions folder. It could have gone there. And next, here is the Zoom link to get registered for the workshop. That way you're reminded of the workshop. And also you can save the dates, add it to your calendar. And we also have a free community inside of school. Get in there, let's hang out in there. That way during this free workshop, you can be answering or asking questions and getting answers even in between our live events. Now, again, if you can't get on live, that's okay. You'll get immediate access to the replays as well. I am looking forward to working with you and helping you, and I am so excited. I'm so excited what's going to happen to you the rest of this year and how you can be able to start designing your life in 2025. I want you to know two things. I'm super proud of you, and you're worthy of this, my friend. So I'll see you in the workshop.